Hey everybody, it's XOSGamer94 here with an unboxing video for you guys. I finally got Final Fantasy XIV Realm Reborn Collector's Edition too. Pretty sweet. I'm actually excited for this game. Of course, there's an art cover, the back, and it's just one big old box too. So again, my infamous opener. Alright. Let's rip it on through. So the slip-on case, as you can see, the art box is amazing. It's just like the slip-on case, actually. Back part is blank. You'll actually open it. It actually comes up. There we go. Wow. It's actually pretty nice. So as soon as you open it up, you get this. See? This is actually an art book, actually. Art book to the game. It's a little mini art book, nothing too biggie. This is amazing. See. Yeah, this is some cool stuff, actually. Wow. I'm actually happy to buy this collector's edition. And that's so cool. It comes with a digipass too. This is definitely awesome. That's cool. And once we take out the game, here's the game itself. Collector's edition. The cover. This is actually one of my buddies. I picked up for him because he was working and he couldn't go to midnight release and give a bobber, so I ended up pick up his copy for him. And see how the cover here is the regular cover, and this is the special edition cover. And also the back art is also different too. Notice how this one looks like this. And notice how mine looks like that. Pretty nice artwork to the collector's edition though, I gotta say. Wow, this is pretty cool. I really do hope this game is a big hit. Not a waste of money, because I know originally this game came out and it blowed pretty much, and they had to cancel it. That's why it's called Reborn. But before we actually open up the game, let's look at what comes in it. You get a art card, which is amazing. I'm actually gonna be putting this in my room. But I like this, so there's actually a lot of cards in here. I don't even think I want to open it, to be honest with you. And then you get the amazing soundtrack itself. I'm not going to listen to the soundtrack at all. Don't think so, so I'm just going to... Oh, it's back cover. So I'm just going to keep it sealed. So like I say, I'm not going to listen to it or anything. But the card, it comes with quite a bit of cards. I don't know if I want to open it, so Yeah, I don't want to open it. Forget it. Got it halfway open. I say forget it. Color the back. There's a bunch of art cards. Yeah, I'm not gonna open up the art card just because I don't want to really open it yet. I don't really see why I need to, but I got open. I got open up that much of it, but now I just put it back because I want to ruin the value of it. Alrighty, so on to the game. Opening it up now. Again, this thing's been my best friend lately. Alright, got it to open. Oh, okay. Well, the manual's not that much. Registration code is on the back. But this is definitely different. Oh, sorry. So, this is a disc. It's a 2-disc game. That's the second disc. Well, that's everything, guys. It's Xbox Gamer 94, and I can't wait to play this game. Signing out.